Hi everyone. Today I'm going to just play around. Try to make like a winter scene. Not a winter scene, but maybe some winter trees. And I'm using Arches watercolor paper. I've never used it before. I've had it, and I've been saving it and saving it and saving it. So, bite the bullet and use it. All I can do is mess it up right. That's why I've been saving it, I guess, because I'm afraid I'll mess it up. So, here we go. I can't tell where I've got my water. And I wanted 6 trees. So we'll just... We're going to wet the whole thing. This is gonna be let's just say it ain't a real winter scene. It's gonna be my playing around with paint. I don't want that much on there. And I think I got way too much paint there. That one was azure. I'm going to do violet light. I gotta hurry or my paint is in the dry. This is like a teal. We might just get 5 trees on here. Let's put a little bit more of that one on. Yeah, probably going to be too dark, but they say that it dries lighter, so we'll see. We're just playing. That's all I'm doing is playing. How about a purple tree, y'all? What do you think? Let's do a purple tree. Well, I guess that's all the trees we're going to have. Wow, that's dark. Shouldn't have added more to that one. Alright, let's... And I think the other ones are probably too wet yet. Put it down on that one there. It's probably too wet to be putting this on. I haven't used salt that much. So I'm still in the learning process of using salt. You go from acrylics to watercolor and it's a learning curve. Probably way too much salt on there. And maybe not enough, I don't know. We'll see. We'll let that dry. Well, y'all, it didn't do what I thought it would do with the salt. I must have put it on too wet, but we're going to go with that because we're just playing. We're not planning on it being a masterpiece or anything, so let's see what we can do. Wonder if I can put a little bit of that's dark. Yeah, it's turning brown. Let's take that off of there. Let's see. Where's the piece of paper? This might be a mistake. It was pretty until, well, not exactly pretty, but you know. Trying to make it look like the ground's wet. Look, there's that reflection there. Let's just play it around. So, let's try that again with different colors or something. Okay, and try to put the salt on at the right time. Might help. Okay, oh, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one, and until next time, bye-bye. Tried to make a frosty look in it, but it didn't work out.